Hello and welcome to Voice Interaction's NAB Show 2020. My name is Mariana and I'm the Head of Marketing at Voice Interaction. Times have changed and so has our communication. We haven't been together since NAB Las Vegas and I'm super excited to be with you again, even if virtually. Our team of developers is focused on taking our products even further, while our sales team is prepared to get you the best service and support during these challenging times. Enjoy all the exclusive content we have prepared for you and get in touch with us anytime.
Hello everyone, I am João Figueiredo, a Voice Interaction business developer. I will be virtually present at NAB New York 2020 from October 19 to the 29. I am available for any clarifications related to quotations, commercial information and product features. I will be more than happy to show how our software Audimus.Media, Server and MMS Broadcast Edition work. Feel free to get in touch or connect via LinkedIn.
Hello everyone, my name is Luisa and I'm part of the business developing team here at Voice Interaction. I'm very excited to be by your side at this year's NAB show in New York, even if only virtually. We hope to see you at our booth and that you enjoyed this special edition of the NAB New York show.
Voice Interaction develops speech processing technologies focusing automatic speech recognition, text-to-speech, dialogue systems, and natural language processing. The idea is to extract knowledge from speech. We are using artificial intelligence based on machine learning algorithms and deep neural networks. A very strong technical background with a research and development department with several PhDs and innovative team of software engineers. Voice Interaction is a product company based on technology that are horizontal to different markets. We have a very strong component in terms of closed caption for the broadcasting market and media monitoring with compliance and recording, complementing by trending news and ad discovery.
Audimus.Media is the automatic closed captioning platform from Voice Interaction. Based on proprietary technology, this software generates high-accuracy captions and delivers them within a 3-second delay. The application setup is simple and user-friendly, so we recommend that you try it yourself. First, select the Channels at the Administrations tab, then create a new captioning channel where you can choose the channel name, input type and also the input feed.
You always looking so fly, I love it. Welcome back to the show.
Now you just need to set up the output. That can be configured at the Inserters page in the Administrations tab. Choose an inserter name and the base inserter. Audimus.Media is natively integrated with all the encoders made currently available by major brands. This will save you a lot of integration headaches and workflow issues. You are now good to go. This is the main page of the web interface. You can control every single pre-configured channel from here. Plus, you can also access specific features in this page. Here, you may create a new live closed captioning task to run right now, or schedule a new event for the future. Below this area, you can check your task list for the day. Here, you can check on the past completed tasks or visualize live the ones that are actively ongoing. With Audimus.Media, you can simultaneously visualize and control closed captions in a single web interface, with the closed captions being produced in real time. When your scheduled task is finished, you may export the produced captions from the platform. Choose from a large group of output formats specially designed to fit in any workflow.
No No noise except right now as we welcome the Republican nominee, President Trump, and the Democratic nominee, Vice President Biden.
On the 29th of September, the first presidential debate for the 2020 U.S. elections took place at the Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland. Donald Trump and Joe Biden were about to go for the first time head-to-head on national television. This is a real-life scenario broadcasters are often faced with, so let's unveil the back end behind VoiceInteraction's automatic closed captioning software specially tailored for live shows.
Let me just tell you something, that there's nothing symbolic. I'm cutting drug prices. I'm going with favored nations, which no president has the courage to do because you're going against Big Pharma. Drug prices will be coming down 80 or 90%. You could have done it during your 47-year period in government, but you didn't do it. Nobody's done it. So we're cutting health care. All of the things that we've done, insulin. I give you an example, insulin. It was destroying families, destroying people. The cost, I'm getting it for so cheap. It's like water, you want to know the truth. So cheap. Take a look at all of the drugs what we're doing, prescription drug prices. We're going to allow our governors now to go to other countries to buy drugs.
If Senate Republicans, we were talking originally about the Supreme Court here, if Senate Republicans go ahead and confirm Justice Barrett, there has been talk about ending the filibuster or even packing the court, adding to the 9 justices there. You call this a distraction by the president, but in fact it wasn't brought up by the president. It was brought up by some of your Democratic colleagues in the Congress. So my question to you is, you have refused in the past to talk about it. Are you willing to tell the American people tonight whether or not you will support either ending the filibuster or packing the court?
Whatever position I take on that, that'll become the issue. The issue is the American people should speak. You should go out and vote. You're in voting now.
With upwards of 20 languages available, Audimus.Media is not only the most cost-effective, but the most accurate way to deliver live closed captioning to your station channel. Media Monitoring System Broadcast Edition, an AI-driven platform that extends the bounds of typical compliance software. This is a long-term, 24/7 HD capture and recording solution, specifically engineered for live content visualization and control. Guarantee that your broadcast quality of service is equipped with state-of-the-art analysis and real-time fault detection. Our clients can also expect key built-in features that will keep you ahead of the competition. Features such as ad performance and exposure, trending news discovery, and broadcast content fingerprinting. Simultaneously backed by cross-reference to ratings and market analytics. The media monitoring system is a scalable solution where you can start small and you can work your way up to a long-term compliance platform. It is also a cost-effective alternative that is now available on desktop, iOS, and Android.
President Trump, you nominated Amy Coney Barrett over the weekend to succeed the late...
To illustrate how VoiceInteraction's products are cross-sectional, we will continue to use the presidential debates on this demonstration as a unifying model. Concerning the News Reports tab, you will find a multitude of useful features. The software will perform news transcriptions automatically, and they will be displayed below as closed captioning, accurate and timely.
We have a phenomenal nominee, respected by all, top academic, good in every way,
Using the data to generate keywords.
Are very liberal people.
Last but not least, you will find this feature a valuable one. The Program Stories element will provide you all the main topics discussed during this debate.
Now, what's at stake here is the president's made it clear he wants to get rid of the Affordable Care Act. He's been running on that, he ran on that, and he's been governing on that. He's in the Supreme Court right now trying to get rid of the Affordable Care Act, which will strip 20 million people from having insurance, health insurance now, if it goes into court. And And the justice, and I'm not opposed to the justice, she seems like a very fine person. But she's written before she went on the bench, which is her right.
All these attributes are at your disposal with the top menu, where you will find full autonomy to choose any channel, program, or even do a more specific search if you'd like.
Once again, a woman could be pay more money because she has a pre-existing condition of pregnancy. They were able to charge a woman more for the same exact procedure a man did.
In Voice Interaction, we believe that true synergy is only possible when efforts combine: engineering, production, news, programming, sales, traffic, and management. All departments speaking the same language. Get everybody on board. Audimus.Server is the offline transcription platform from Voice Interaction. Based on proprietary technology, the system is able to receive any audio or video file and return a full text transcription of its content in just a quarter of the original file length. With an out-of-the-box setup, you just need to upload a file, choose the desired language, and the application will do the rest. This is the main page of the web interface. Here you see all the active tasks in the system. After a task is finished, the user can export it from the system. At hand, a large group of output formats are available, specially designed to fit in any workflow. We will just create a task by uploading the video of the debate. Then select the language model, and the task shall be finished in the equivalent of a quarter of the original file's length. Moving on to our practical example of the presidential debate, we will now proceed to close Voice Interaction's product portfolio turnkey cycle. An important role, as it has been developed to assist TV broadcasters with media closed captioning, content and post-production handling. Afterwards, all we have to do is to download the output and to choose the desired format, which in this case will be SRT. After the download is complete, the final step is to simply open the video file on VLC and directly embed the subtitles. Very straightforward, right?
Good evening from the Health Education campus of Case Western Reserve University and the Cleveland Clinic. I'm Chris Wallace of Fox News, and I welcome you to the first of the 2020 presidential debates between President Donald J. Trump and former Vice President Joe Biden.
I will tell you very simply, we won the election. Elections have consequences. We have the Senate, we have the White House, and we have a phenomenal nominee, respected by all, top academic, good in every way, In fact, some of her biggest endorsers are very liberal people from Notre Dame and other places. So I think she's going to be fantastic. We have plenty of time, even if we did it after the election itself. I have a lot of time after the election, as you know.
This, Mr. President.
Thank you, Joe.
The American people have a right to have a say in who the Supreme Court nominee is. And that say occurs when they vote for a United States senators and when they vote for the President of the United States. They're not going to get that chance now because we're in the middle of an election already. The election has already started. Tens of thousands of people have already voted. And so the thing that should happen is we should wait. We should wait and see what the outcome of this election is, because that's the only way the American people get to express their view is by who they elect as president and who they elect as vice president. Now, what's at stake here is the president's made it clear he wants to get rid of the Affordable Care Act.
With more than 20 languages available, Audimus.Server is the most efficient and most accurate way to fully transcribe an audio or video file.